Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cartoon albino alligator. You can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the crocodile. Here's its belly and the leg. And now I'm drawing its front legs. Here's its big mouth. Wavy. Here's its head. This is the back of the crocodile. Now let's draw its long tail. The crocodile has angry eyes. This is the main attraction of the crocodile. Keep doing this. I'm using red color inside its eye. Let's draw its tooth with yellow color. To color the crocodile, I'm using my pencil. Whoa, my drawing is done! Thank you so much for watching.